सिस्टम बड़ा है।
वाले लेना है ना।
हाँ
कौन सा टॉयलेट बढ़िया?
Attention, stand at ease. Attention, stand at ease. At the back, to perform here on the stage, I can give you a chance. Otherwise, maintain the decorum.
A very cheerful morning to everyone. This is started without remembering the Almighty, the Creator of whole universe. Let's start the prayer at the link which us with the Almighty. So close your eyes, fold your hand, and join your legs, and start Gayatri Mantra.
Oh
in our life. So here is Damini with an inspiring thought. Please come on the stage.
Then goes the darkness. I repeat once again, better to be candles than goes the darkness. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now here comes Arvind for national praise.
Good morning to one and all present here. Please kindly stretch your hand, right hand forward for national praise. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all my elder respect, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone lies my happiness.
For our fifth headline.
Good morning to one and all present over here. Today's news headlines are: India beats West Indies by 9 wickets in fifth ODI win series in Thiruvananthapuram. Rakesh Sinha to bring private members bill in Parliament. Reservation is necessary, no one can abolish it. Bihar CM. Jammu and Kashmir BJP leader Amit Parihar brothers were dead in Kistawar. Must unite to fight BJP's destructive policies. Rahul. Ranji Trophy. Surya signed to take Mumbai in 278 by 5 on opening day. Thank you and have a nice day.
For the fact of the day.
Good morning and Jan for all of you. Today's fact is Venus is the only one planet that rotates clockwise. I repeat, Venus is the only one planet that rotates clockwise. Thank you.
An assembly without something special is always incomplete. So to make it special, here is Madhav with his speech.
Good morning and Jan to all present over here. I, Madhav Sharma, is here to deliver a short speech on value of time. Time is the new currency of 21st century. Time is the only asset we have which is once spent can never be earned. There is an old saying, time never waits for anybody. We have to go side by side with it. So the question arises, how we can use this significant asset in a better way. See, time is going to pass, whether use it in your favor or not. So the answer is purpose. A purpose is in life gives you a direction so that you can make best use of your time. Thank you.
A starting always has an end. Now we have also reached to the end of our assembly. So let's end our morning assembly by national anthem.
Today will be under inspection by CBSE, and we have amongst us Dr. Nath, Principal, Manas Convent Public School, Chandoli. And for that, we don't have any change in our regular school. The school will run as usual. Only certain announcement that I have to do. Today, class 11, because the rooms are there, they will be sitting in 1201. So the teachers, those who go to take their classes into class 11A, they will be going in 1201 room number today onwards. We have upcoming events regarding that. Already you've been announced. Rangoli competition, are you aware of? Yes. For that, the participants have to give their names to the house in charges, and the house in charges will pass these names to the council head, Dr. Chandni Singh, and on 5th, this activity has been scheduled, and Dr. Chandni will be conducting another meeting for the further details of the event. Now, children, as I have already announced, for you drinking water, for all of us drinking water is a must thing, isn't it? So for that you need to bring your water bottle filled. So till 3rd period, nobody is allowed to come out of the classroom for the sake of drinking water. So you have to bring your water bottle every day, right from class 1 to class 12. So no child is allowed to come out of the classroom for drinking water. Before 3rd period, all of you need to bring your water bottle. So that's all for today. I hand over the mic to the anchor for further proceeding of the morning assembly. Before that, I request Dr. Nath, once he is amongst us, to address the morning assembly.
I am very happy to stand before you. Honorable Madam Principal, worthy teachers, my dear children. It is not always essential to build the future of the youth, but it is very essential to build the youth for the sake of the country. That is why we are doing a lot to make a child physically fit, mentally alert, socially effective, and emotionally sound. We are doing something, so it is your duty to do something for the sake of the society. So, my dear children, you try to make this earth like a heaven, so that all the sections of the society, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, may live on the earth very comfortably. Thank you very much. And one thing I would like to request you people, सभी को ऐसा वर्क करो, ऐसा मेहनत करो, ऐसी तपस्या करो कि जितने भी all the people who are around you, हमेशा उनसे you try to get it blessing for all the people, your teachers, your neighbors, your father, your mother, and our Almighty God. So, my dear children, हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहो और दूसरे को भी मुस्कुराने दो। क्या पता वक्त की दहलीज पर क्या लिखा है, कहीं मुस्कुराहट तो कहीं आंसुओं का सैलाब छिपा है। जो भी मिले मुस्कुरा कर कबूल करना, मुस्कुराहट ही हर रोग की बेहतर दवा है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Dr. Khan, for your such wonderful words, which definitely will be motivating our children. So, as per our tradition, अतिथि के लिए तो हैं सर, पर एक मेहमान के रूप में आप हमारे कैंपस में उपस्थित हैं, तो बच्चों ने 2 शब्द तैयार किए हैं, तो वो आपको समर्पित हैं सर।
Shiva
some amount of energy is produced to some amount of energy to produce the electron to leave out the surface, and its remains energy to give the kinetic energy to the metallic surface. Is it clear? Is it clear? Have you any doubt? What is photon? What is photon? Yes. And what is the use of photon? Photon is photocurrent. How?
When photon pass on the metallic surface, the electrons are excited and the due to flow of electron is generated.
Okay, good. It means photon is the packets or bundle of energy which some amount of energy to excite the electron, to come out the ground state from the electron, and its remains energy to emit. This is said to be the emission of electron, and from where electron emits, this is said to be the emitter plate. This is said to be the emitter plate. And what is second plate said to be? What is second plate? Collector plate. Why? Emitted electron comes from the emitter plate and collects on another plate. This is said to be the collector plate. This is said to be the collector plate. What is photocurrent? You mean that if an electron emits, it goes from the emitter plate to the collector plate. Electrons. Emission of electron. What is emission of electron? What do you know about emission? When we give the energy or heat or temperature to the any metallic surface, electron escape out, electron leave out. Electron leave out from that surface because electron is in ground state. When we give the energy, electron excite, it becomes come out from the surface. This is said to be the electron emission. Is it clear? How many type of emission? 3 type of emission. What do you know about the thermonic? What is electric field emission? Electric field. Due to heat, electron flow. Electron come out, it become free and carry the current. It generates the photocurrent. This is the second method when we receive emission of electron due to electric field. Okay. Third, what is third? Emission of electron. Third, photoelectric. What do you know about the photoelectric? Yes.
Emission of electron, photon, or ray of light.
Okay. How you will electron emit with the help of photon. Okay.
When we give a photon a ray of light for the emission of electron.
It means when radiated energy, when ray of sun falls on the any plates, when ray of sun falls on any plates, electron escape out due to radiation of incident ray of light. Due to radiation of incident ray of light, when the ray of light falls on the emitter plate, electron escape out, electron come out. And this type of emission, what is photocurrent? When we give the metallic, when we give the energy or heat or temperature due to electric field, electron escape out and it come out or leave out from the sun. And what is the first experiment of Helmholtz? You know about the Helmholtz and Lenard experiment? What is? On one side, when ray of sun comes on any metallic surface, electron come out from the surface. This is said to be the electron emission. When ray of light, when we increase the frequency, it means electron leave the surface and go to the collector.
Teachers are available. Good teachers are not available.
The gift of the dinner.
These are the solid which have regular arrangement of particles. And what about amorphous solid? These solid have irregular arrangement of particles. And next point may be they have sharp particles. Means if we heat a crystalline solid, they will melt at a particular temperature, not at any temperature.
solid which is crystalline, when you reach a particular point, suppose iron has 1400 Kelvin temperature, then it will melt only at 1400 Kelvin. But amorphous solid, when you start heating, they will become softer, and when you further heating, they start heat soft and then they melt. What it means, they soften over a range of temperature. From the starting, they further then why they have different values of physical properties in different directions? Because their environment is different. When they travel in X direction, the particles are different particles associated in X direction. When they travel in Y direction, the particles are different, present in Y direction. In Z direction, also different particles are present. Means that what is amorphous solid? There is no fixed arrangement. अगर आप किसी लाइट से rub करते हैं, for example, when you cut a glass with sharp edge tool, its sides are sharp. If you rub your hand or finger, आप make glass corners fire polishing of glass. It means if you want to melt a crystalline solid, it will convert into liquid state only when certain amount of heat is provided. Okay? If you provide less quantity of heat than required, there is definite arrangement of particles. Due to definite arrangement of particles, the forces of attraction are very strong. Particles are attached strongly. So, the forces between them cannot be broken down by providing any quantity of heat. You have to provide a definite quantity of heat, which is known as definite heat of heat. But in case of amorphous solid, no stronger forces of glass become thick. It is due to the property of glass, which is known as fluidity. इसमें क्या होती है fluidity? Glass होता है fluidity. ठीक है? When it heat in the daytime due to the heat of sun, when sun is rise, glass becomes hot and it starts flowing down. Okay? But the change is not appeared every day. A considerable change can be appeared after a period of time. A long period of time, you will see the lower edges of glass are taken. And always glass broken from the between. Glass
The same thing it is here in this poem, Father Kosa. Okay? With the time, as you see, that a child, what does he do? Child always wants to be